No, ma'am.
Then who is doing it? Didn't I tell anyone to do the supplementary presentation of the treasure within?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine. Uh, there's so many Sairams: Khushi Sairam, Nandini, Monica, Parth, Pooja, Akshata, Radhika, Pranjal, Krishna, Pranjal again. Okay. He's answering me. Okay, fine. So Sairam, all of you. We have done with that. Pooja, we were supposed to begin with the chapter, na? Treasure within.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Question answer.
Ma'am, question
We
answers,
have done the
explanation
reading.
over. Ma'am, question answer.
Explanation is over.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Explanation is
Yes,
over.
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. One second. Actually, I was under the impression class 6th A, 6th B, 7th A, 7th B, and even ninth. All of them in this whole week, they have started presenting, like three or four students come together and they have started presenting one chapter of the supplementary. And it takes around like two periods. First, they do the exactly like how I do. They are the teachers for that day. Means they are the mentors, and they ask the students' name. They take their names, and those students read out the chapter. So reading practice is done. Then they made beautiful PPTs, very nice PPTs, and sometimes I feel they were even doing better than me. So PPTs were shown, and also the next period, the question answers were discussed. So I was under the impression that even this class will be doing one chapter today. So we will begin with the next one. Today, let me go for this. As you say, the chapter is done. By the way, how many students are here? 23. And what is the total strength? Adhika, how many
36.
students? 36. Okay.
36.
Okay. Okay. And if it increases, please tell me. Now, whose our name I'll be taking, that child will on the camera. Even 9th standard has started owning the cameras, but you people never on. Radhika had on for a few seconds. Yes, Akshata is here. Yeah. Oh, Adisha has got a uniform. Very nice. Beautiful. Good. So finally, you are going to stay here. So it is. आज नहीं तो कल तो खरीदनी पड़ेगी ना तो अच्छा किया. Good. You bought one and you start wearing that. Very good. Pooja is also here. Nandini, very nice. Devansh is always in his uniform. Good. And Khushi. What about Parth and Nikunj? आप लोग नहीं दिखाते कभी भी कि आप यूनिफॉर्म में हो. And Nikunj, I know you're there in Shayadri house. The next time I want to see even these people. Girls तो prove करती हैं कि वो ज़्यादा अच्छी हैं. Good. Okay. So here is the summary. Adisha, can you please read this?
Yes, ma'am. Summary. Unhappy schooling. Hafiz contractor was a very unhappy schoolboy in the first and second year. He was a good student. From the third standard onwards, he seemed to have lost all interest in studies. He was particularly afraid of mathematics. He had nightmares about a maths examination. He dreamt of appearing in the examination not knowing anything at all about the subject. Contractor loved action, not theories. As a student, Contractor was interested in games and playing.
1 second. Hmm.
When he approached his 11th class, the principal called him and said, "Look here, son, I have been seeing you since day one. You are a good student, but you never study. I have taken care of you till today. Now I can no longer take care of you, so you have to take care of yourself." He talked to him for 5 minutes. He exhorted contractor rise to the occasion and study. Principals advise. The advice
So here.
the advice worked. The principal's advice had the desired effect on contractor. He would go for prayers and all he would do was eat and study. 50% in his SS. The punishments at school. Contractor was being interviewed by Miss Bella Raja. She asked him if he was punished at school. Contractor replied that the teachers pulled him up regularly. He would receive a caning every week. However, he never felt anything on that account. He was more interested in playing. A sports freak.
Hmm.
Contractor was just interested in playing and nothing else. He was also the leader of a gang. He would have gang fights and plan strategies. These things interested him more than the books. One day he didn't want to study, so he created a distraction. For 1 whole hour they played chore police, a chance encounter with an architect. After school,
Encounter.
After school, Contractor wanted to join the army. His aunt wouldn't allow it. His mother won't allow him to join police force either. She asked him to do his graduation. It was by using some influence that he got admission in Jai Hind College. There he had to study French. Being weak at French, he had to take his married cousin's help. Her husband was an architect, so he started going to an architect's office to learn French.
Now I would like some other child to take over. Devansh, can you begin from here? Devang, sorry. In the architect's office.
In the architect office.
Betty, you will on the camera and then say. Yes.
In the architect's office, he saw somebody drawing a window detail. The window detail is a very advanced drawing. The contractor told him that his drawing was wrong. He added that the window he had drawn would not open. There was
Sorry. Yes. Yes, continue.
There was a bet which contractor won. This surprised his cousin's husband. He
Cousin's
asked
husband.
cousin's husband. He asked him to draw a few specific things. Contractor did that once. The man was so impressed that he asked the contractor to drop everything and join architect. Admission in
Architecture.
architecture.
Hmm.
That architect took him to principal of the college. In the college, the architect, nobody who had got below 90% he was allowed to enter. Contractor had only 50%, so the principal warned him, I will allow you to take part in the entrance exam, but if you do not do well, if I will not allow to join. contractor got an A plus in that entrance examination. After that, it was cakewalk. He stood first class throughout after that.
Okay. Now, after Devang, I would request someone else who doesn't usually get a chance. Yes, Nandini, you can read.
Yes, ma'am. The source of genius. Contractor never made a plane. One of his teacher, Mr.
Plan,
Gupta,
plan. It is not plain, plan.
one of his teacher, Mr. Gupta,
Mrs. Mrs. Gupta.
Mrs. Gupta had told him, "You are useless in everything but your sketches are good." She said advised him to be an architect on growing up. When he became one, he went back to meet her and told her so.
Okay, Nandini, just listen to how I'm going to read now, okay? Carefully आप देखो आपके pause जहाँ पर आते हैं सिर्फ Nandini नहीं, all the students I'm telling, the way you pause and the way you read, the one who is not having the book or the text in front of them can understand it very nicely. वो सीन उनके सामने उसी तरीके से चलता है, दो उनके पास बुक नहीं है हाथ में. Now just see, contractor never made a plan. One of his teachers, Mrs. Gupta, had told him, "You are useless in everything, but your sketches are good." She had advised him to become an architect on growing up. And when he became one, he went back to meet her and tell her so. तो जहाँ फुल स्टॉप होता है वो पॉज करना है, टोन चेंज करना है. ठीक है बेटा? अब you people are in 8th standard and within a few months probably you'll be in 9th standard. So your reading should be very fluent and you should know all these tips. Okay? Fine. Now you can continue, Nandini.
Giftedness and learning.
No, beta, it is contractor disliked studies.
Contractor was bad languages. His maths was also very bad. In fact, he never applied his mind to them. He was in a boarding school where every day was a new day for him. When there were tests, he just copied. Giftedness and learning. Those who always stood first or second in his school are doing ordinary jobs. As for himself, the school life made him smart. He learned more by what he did than what the books taught him.
So here, if you see carefully, once again, I'll explain this later. Now you can continue with it. Just street smart है, ये एक साथ बोलना है. Street smart. ठीक है? There is a hyphen in it, but it is street smart. It's a single word. Next, beta, special interest.
Special interest. At school, contractor was interested in other things and not in books. If it rained outside the class, he would think of the flowing water. He would forget the lecture and think about the flow of water within the dam. He would wonder how much water would the dam hold.
Okay, good. Thank you, Nandini. Now I'm changing the person. One of the boys I would like. 24. 24 से ज़्यादा हुआ है राधिका अभी तक?
No, ma'am.
अच्छा, तो अभी 23 हो गया. How about Rudraksh? Rudraksh, please on your camera and your mic.
Ma'am.
You can start reading from here.
From there,
Helping his friend. Hmm.
Discipline in a school was very important. Sometimes a student would lose a button while fighting. In the case, he would run to contractor. Contractor would cut a button from a chalk using a blade. No one could then see that his real button was missing. He would get past dinner with a full, neat uniform.
Hmm.
His structure. Today, when a client comes to contractor, he looks at him closely. He would observe his face, clothes, and manners. That gives him an idea of his taste. He is able to relate to people in a way that would be comfortable. Then he makes a sketch spontaneously. He gives it to his people in his office. Contractors mathematics. Contractors say his sketches are his mathematics. He put designs, construction, physic, physiology, and
Psychology.
psychology,
Psychology.
psychology and sociology together, making a sketch from all his contractors' definition of mathematics. Lesson.
Okay. Now this you leave it. I'll show this video next time. By the way, this is which this is supplementary fourth chapter, na? Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Now listen carefully what I have to explain. One second. There were 34 up, 24 up to 23 over. Anybody left the meeting or what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One. Okay, दो तो मैं ही हूँ. Any idea who is the person who left previously? It was 24.
सार्थक
Ma'am,
Banjal.
Sarthak.
सार्थक. Okay. सार्थक का तो नाम आया हुआ है इधर. Is this attendance visible to you people?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
We download it. Okay, fine. What I was saying is, I'll briefly explain this because my audio is not very good. When I have to show a video or something, I have to connect my Alexa to it, to my laptop only, then it's visible. Sarthak has joined. Again, Zoman is left. He's left. He's got some problem, I think, net problem. Okay. So here, if you see, I would repeat that this person, Hafiz Contractor, is one of the most famous. I think you can call him the pioneer. You know what is pioneer? Can anyone tell me the meaning of pioneer? Anyone? Pioneer का क्या मतलब होता है? See, these are the words you have to use actually. People are in a senior class now. Pioneer means जिसने उस चीज की शुरुआत की हो. ओके मतलब कई बार होता है एक लाइक क्रिकेट लाइक बॉयज कैन कनेक्ट दिस कि कोई पर्टिकुलर स्टाइल से जो खेलता है हम फिर उसको बाकी जो जनरेशंस जो फॉलो करती है वो उसको कॉपी करती हैं मगर उसका पायनियर उस स्टाइल का कौन था वो आप देख सकते हो जैसे कोई गुगली होता है कोई बॉलिंग स्टाइल किसी का अलग होता है you have this Malinga and all he has a totally different style of bowling. Some children right from childhood will get impressed by him and they will start following him. But who put forward on the international level? It was Malinga. ठीक है of that particular style. वैसे ही बैटिंग में भी कोई particular styles होती हैं. So you can say now I'm sure you'll not forget this meaning pioneer. So Hafiz Contractor was the pioneer of like you can call architecture in India. Okay. internationally there were many people. If you see their architecture बहुत सुंदर है वहाँ. मगर इंडिया में भी मतलब ये जो the one modern you can call, he was the modern thing he bought into, like different styles of skyscrapers, and skyscrapers होते हैं जो sky को touch करती है buildings, मतलब इतनी ऊंची, and all that in those time period he got this in Mumbai. That time it was Bombay, and he is a Parsi, I suppose. He, as you see, he's not very good in studies. In the whole chapter, he's been telling that half of the chapter he's telling about his childhood and how he used to dislike studies. See, children start disliking studies and a particular subject. It also depends on the teacher. Okay, कई बार हम लोग I'm not blaming any of my teacher, but right from my childhood, if I share with you, I was never interested in social studies. Okay, social studies, I've only interested in geography. History भी मुझे अच्छी नहीं लगती थी और civics भी मुझे अच्छी नहीं लगती थी. But recently, in this age, when I'm teaching you, I have met a friend in the school only. I will not name the person, and that person speaks so much about history that suddenly I have started getting an interest in history. जब मुझे लगा अरे यार ऐसा कोई टीचर होता जो हमें हिस्ट्री के बारे में बोलता तो शायद मैंने भी बहुत अच्छा इंटरेस्ट लिया होता. ओके, एक स्केयर भी बैठ जाता है कभी कभी. लाइक माय इन साइंस माय वीक सब्जेक्ट वाज केमिस्ट्री. आई वाज वेरी बैड एट केमिस्ट्री. मतलब टेरराइज होती थी मैं. लिटरली डर लगता था कि बस कैसे भी पास हो जाऊं. देयर वर 3 पार्ट्स इन द फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री एंड बायो. तो केमिस्ट्री के पार्ट से मैं बहुत डरती थी कि कैसे आई कांट लर्न दोज ऑर्गेनिक फॉर्मूलाज एंड ऑल दैट थिंग. Okay, so this happens and you're not good in everything. आप भी देखो कभी कभी आप एक पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट को एक लाइकिंग हो जाती है आपको उसमें, जिसमें आपको प्यार हो जाए, automatically you will take interest in that subject and you will start performing well. Like some children have interest in computer science, तो उनका ब्रेन वैसा ही डेवलप होना शुरू होता है क्योंकि वो इंटरेस्ट ले रहे हैं, तो आप ऑटोमेटिकली उस सब्जेक्ट में घुसोगे. एंड सम चिल्ड्रन आर वेरी स्केर्ड ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स राइट फ्रॉम चाइल्डहुड. एक बार वो फियर बैठ जाता है तो वो जाता नहीं है. So same thing was with Hafiz, that he did not like mathematics and he used to stay away from it. See, he's written away, he's particularly afraid of mathematics. He had even nightmares. Nightmares होता है कि रात को नींदें नहीं आती थी उसको, कि he used to think what will happen, that he would probably he dreamt of appearing in the examination not knowing anything at all. Means he would probably in the dreams also he dreamt that उसको एग्जाम दे रहा है और उसको कुछ नहीं आता उसमें, zero. Like such nightmares he used to have. Then as what he loved action and not theories. Means उसको रट्टा लगाने वाली चीजें नहीं पसंद. And theories are usually something you memorize. आपको रट के लिखना है. And what he used to like is action. मतलब करो और सीखो by doing. Like you people also see, like experiential learning, usually you people are so engrossed in it, you learn so many things. Why? Because you're doing it. आप खुद अपने हाथों से कई मॉडल्स बनाते हो, कई चीजें करते हो. Even you people know when Sagar sir teaches you, I don't know whether, I think in 6th also probably he has taught you. तो वो जब आपको साइंस उस तरीके से पढ़ाते हैं, जब आपको बाय डूइंग करवाते हैं, मॉडल्स बनवाते हैं, तो आपको वो कॉन्सेप्ट जल्दी समझ आ जाता है उस साइंस का कि क्या इसमें थियरी है, क्या लगा है इसमें, बिकॉज देयर इज एप्लीकेशन इन इट. बट अगर आपको कहो नहीं ये रट के करो, तो वो बच्चे अगर छोड़ो, आलसी, मतलब दे डोंट टेक इंटरेस्ट. एंड दैट इज व्हाई सच पीपल आर इवन स्पोर्ट्समैन, बिकॉज स्पोर्ट्समैन में क्या होता है, एक्शन होता है. दे आर नॉट सिटिंग पीपल. That means they are always on the. So he was this is how they're telling that he was very good in other things which needed energy, which needed action. But when it comes to sitting and memorizing, then he was very bad. Even the principal later on gave him advice that you're a good student but you never study. Means उनको actually हम teachers को समझ आ जाता है कि बच्चा sharp है. It's not that his brain is weak. हम भी स्कूल में कई बच्चों को देखते हैं जो 8th 9th तक वीक चल रहे हैं, ऑल ऑफ ए सडन इन 10th और 9th दे गियर अप, उनको समझ आने लगता है कि एप्लीकेशन शुरू हो गई चीज की, एंड वो सडनली मैथमेटिक्स में अच्छा परफॉर्म करने लगते हैं, because understanding, they are actually got a nice brain, but when application starts, they start taking interest in it. Okay, so he was also such a child that the teachers also told that you are good, then why don't you study? क्योंकि मार्क्स, हम लोग ये मानते हैं ओ मार्क्स हर चीज का पैरामीटर है, जबकि आपको पता है हमारे स्कूल में ये चीज नहीं है. मार्क्स इज नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट, बिकॉज देर आर एन नंबर ऑफ एग्जाम्पल्स जो 10th में जाके बहुत अच्छे मार्क्स लाते हैं, जो 6th 7th में नहीं लाते थे. ओके, द सेम थिंग, आई एम नॉट टेलिंग दैट आपके भी आई होप अच्छे हो जाए, बट you have to literally get into the subject. Then what happened? The advice worked. The principal's advice worked, and what he okay, he got 50% in his like 10th standard. He got this much marks. He was so good in everything, but such person getting 50% हमारे हिसाब से कम है. But then later on, you see what happened. He was being interviewed. This whole chapter, you know, that this is an interview taken by Bela Raja. And she asked him how he was punished in the school. He said that there were regular complaints by the teachers, and he would... What is the meaning of caning? Can anyone tell me? What is caning?
Punishment.
Punishment,
Beating.
yes. Caning, हाँ, beating. Actually, caning का मतलब होता है कि one second, there's some problem. I'm less off my camera and then speak. This one, caning means लकड़ी से मारना. ठीक है, छड़ी से, जिसको हम पुराने जमाने में छड़ी कहते थे, छड़ी से मारना. मीन्स ही यूज्ड टू गेट दैट. आजकल तो ये बैंड है, हम लोग तो आपको हाथ भी नहीं लगा सकते, नहीं तो सीधा बच्चे कोर्ट चले जाते हैं. जबकि कहीं ना कहीं आप अगर अपने पेरेंट्स से पूछो और अपने बड़ों से पूछो, दादा दादी से, ऑल ऑफ देम विल से कि यस, कुछ हद तक थप्पड़ मारना और मारना is okay. Okay, I mean, anyway, that's a controversy over it. He had regular caning, means उसकी teachers पिटाई लगाते थे, and he never felt anything on that account. Means he wasn't bothered. वो इतना ढीठ हो चुका था कि he was only interested in playing and nothing else. Then obviously again it comes to his sports, this thing, that how he was interested in this. And one day he did not want to study, so he created distraction मतलब divert कर देना पढ़ाई से. And he was obviously they say that he was the leader of the gang. जो क्लास का गैंग था उसमें पूरा सबसे बड़ा लीडर था वो. And he even played चोर पुलिस over there with his friends and all. क्योंकि चोर पुलिस में क्या होता है, आपको स्ट्रेटजी बनानी पड़ती है कि यहाँ से भागेंगे, वहां से भागेंगे. तो इन दैट इफ यू सी, योर ब्रेन इज गेटिंग डेवलप्ड, और पता चलता है कि आप कितने शार्प हो, मतलब उस चीज से, उस प्रॉब्लम से निकल पा रहे हो कि नहीं. सो ही वाज वेरी गुड एट इट, मतलब इतना उसका ब्रेन शार्प था. Then how he turned out to become an architect. The other half of the story chapter is about that. That just because he was physically fit and he was good into sports, he wanted to go and join an army. क्योंकि उस टाइम, अगर आप इसके टाइम पीरियड के बारे में देखो, उस टाइम अगर कोई फिट था फिजिकली तो एक ही हमको लिखता था, अच्छा चलो या तो पुलिस ज्वाइन कर लो या आर्मी ज्वाइन कर लो. So his aunt didn't want that. Maybe because his mother was a widow and मतलब एक ही बच्चा है, एक ही सहारा है, तो होता है कि नहीं ज्वाइन करने दिया, कहीं उसको कुछ हो ना जाए. So what happened is she asked him to go for graduation. It was only using some influence because he got less marks into this good college, Jai Hind College. Influence का मतलब होता है that like you say ना, किसी के मतलब contact के through, मतलब कभी कभी some big person if he rings up और मिल जाती है वो seat. Okay, so now also this goes on actually, and he got admission in that college. Then there was one problem, that he had to study French, and what it was that French was a foreign subject and it was compulsory over there. He was weak in French, and what he had to do, just because he had to pass, he had to take his married cousin's help. मतलब उसकी जो cousin थी, she was a girl, उसके husband, her husband was an architect, and he was teaching him French. तो बीच बीच में उसके ऑफिस जाता था वो. He used to go to his cousin's husband's office to learn French, and he was an architect. So when one day he went there, he saw that someone, matlab some employee who was in that office, was drawing a window detail. Now I don't know what is exactly a window detail. You can ask someone who is into architecture. The window detail is a very advanced drawing. Or inki drawings, I don't know whether you have seen it or not, but try to search on the net कि architects की drawings कैसी होती है. They are excellent. मतलब आप देखोगे ना, I have seen only a few of them. And my daughter, actually, she wanted to get into architecture. And I last time also I told you about this. And तो वो उसकी इस चीज में ड्राइंग अच्छी थी. She used to sit and draw. अपने आप ही उसको इंटरेस्ट आया था 12th में. And this one, what they're telling is this window detail is very advanced. मतलब बहुत हाई लेवल की होती है. मतलब जो बहुत अच्छे आर्किटेक्ट्स होते हैं वही कर सकते हैं. Contractor, this Hafiz, told him that the drawing was wrong. When he was standing over there, probably he was waiting out of the office that जब free होंगे तो मुझे French सिखाएंगे. तो what he just looked at the drawing and said that this drawing is wrong. मतलब एकदम से spontaneously he just saw it and he said that this is not the right drawing. He added that the window he had drawn would not open. Means उसने बोला कि जैसे if you the drawing which I have made, the window अंदर की तरफ खुलेगी नहीं. Obviously, sorry, windows तो बाहर की तरफ खुलती हैं. तो this window you have drawn is wrong and it will not open. That man actually he is a proper architect. अब वो तो ego का सवाल हो गया कि अरे ये आज का लड़का, मतलब this boy hasn't even he's just into graduation. Graduation होता है या तो BA या BSc या BCom. Okay, so he was probably doing one of it. So he was saying, he's not even an architect, and who is he to tell me that I am wrong? I am a degree holder. जैसे होता है ना, हमने तो डिग्री ली हुई है, मैं जॉब कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पर, और ये मुझे बता रहा है कि मेरी ड्राइंग रॉन्ग है. Who doesn't know the ABCD of architecture? And then what happened? Obviously, he got angry and he placed a bet. Bet means शर्त लगा दी. And contractor, when obviously they must have consulted the senior one or someone, and पता चला कि वो सही बोल रहा था. It was right that the window couldn't open, and contractor thus won the bet. This surprised the cousin's husband, जिसका ऑफिस था. He got extremely surprised कि ये कैसे हो सकता है, and immediately he told him that please draw some specific things, and he immediately, his hand was so free that he drew it instantly. Contractor did that at once, and the man was so impressed that he asked contractor to drop everything and join architecture. Means उसने बोला कि अपना graduation छोड़ो और immediately you go and get admission in an architecture college. And there also they told that because in architecture very high marks are needed, and his marks were only 50%, 80. So जो 80 to 90% वाले जो cream वाले बच्चे होते हैं वो architecture में आते हैं, and he got only 50%. तो वो भी वहां भी they must have source लगाया होगा कोई. The principal told him, I will allow you to take part in the entrance exam but if you don't do well, I will not allow you to join. So he had to attempt for the entrance exam. There he got A+, and then after that it's history. This sentence of mine, that after that it's history, means uske baad the whole world now knows who is Hafiz Contractor, because once he got admission, मतलब उसके पर ठप्पा लग गया कि अब वो डिग्री 4 years की डिग्री आर्किटेक्चर का कर सकता है. एंड इट्स हिस्ट्री मीन्स कि एवरीवन नोज हिम, क्योंकि वो सिर्फ ही इज ऑलरेडी गुड, सिर्फ दुनिया को दिखाने के लिए ही नीड्स ए डिग्री फॉर दैट. ओके, सो ही डिड दैट, एंड then you can see that there was never a plan. One of his teachers, this is of school, they're telling that she used to say that you're bad in everything but your sketches are good, क्योंकि architecture में sketches ही चाहिए होते हैं. Okay, and he was extremely good at it. मीन्स ही हैड अ फ्री हैंड. फ्री हैंड होता है इनको बस दे दो आप पेंसिल और स्केल. They use a lot of scale and this your that compass box things ना. So because इसमें measurements बहुत चाहिए होते हैं architecture में, your ratio and all that. And then how it's he the this later on you can see that he those who always stood first or second in school are doing ordinary jobs. So this is the truth actually. If you see that जो लोग बहुत अच्छे marks लाते हैं वो क्या है, they become very disciplined in life. But the people who are very daring and dare to do something new, and Hafiz was one of them. वो लड़ाइयाँ भी करता था, gang भी बनाता था, means he knew how to get out of something. And he was street smart. That's why the street smart मतलब आप उसको सड़क पे छोड़ दो, these people are they can take on anyone. मतलब किसी से नहीं डरते, वो अपने आप अपना मतलब रास्ता बना लेते हैं, and they can manage anything and everything. और जो बहुत डेडिकेटेड और स्टूडियस टाइप के बच्चे होते हैं ना, वो ज्यादातर डरपोक बनते हैं बड़े होके. वो फेस नहीं कर पाते दुनिया को, वो अंदर ही अंदर अपनी बुक्स में अपनी ही टेबल में रहना पसंद करते हैं. You can see that around you. But the people who are like average से थोड़े ऊपर वाले बच्चे होते हैं ना, जो स्मार्ट होते हैं, जिनको बुद्धू भी बनाना आता है टीचर को, and this and that, those people लाइफ में जाके बहुत स्मार्ट बनते हैं. and मतलब they don't get सिचुएशन में कभी फंसते नहीं हैं, फंस भी जाए तो उनको निकलना आता है. So here you can see his special interest and all. Here you can see he was a helping hand with his friends. Discipline wasn't in school was very important. Sometimes the students, how little things tell him that he was a good architect. This thing that obviously it was a very strict school of his, maybe a Christian school. There you see that आपकी यूनिफॉर्म बिल्कुल स्पिक एंड स्पैन, मतलब एक बटन नहीं टूटा, कोई इधर से उधर हिला हुआ नहीं होएगा. सो और अगर मिल गया किसी टीचर ने पकड़ लिया आपको कि बटन टूटा हुआ है या लेस ऐसी है, तो यू वुड गेट ए केनिंग, मतलब अच्छे से वो होती. सो व्हाइल प्लेइंग इफ सम चाइल्ड हैड लॉस्ट अ बटन, दे यूज्ड टू कम टू हफीज, एंड व्हाट ही यूज्ड टू डू, वो चौक से फटाफट कार्व कर लेता था. मतलब एक कट कैसे सोचो वो करता था, फटाफट एक चौक शेप में चौक से बटन बना देगा, obviously because it's white and white shirt पे white thick, and he used to fit that. Some people do that, isn't it? And that उसी से पता चलता है कि बचपन में ही उसमें वो टैलेंट था, that skill of architecture. And then you see that how he decides that what his contract, the ones who clients who come to him, what do they need, कहते हैं he used to observe their face, clothes and manners. जिस तरीके से आप उठते हो, बैठते हो, कपड़े पहनते हो, आपके टेस्ट के बारे में पता चलता है. टेस्ट मीन्स आप क्या लाइक करते हो, क्या नहीं लाइक करते. from that he used to get an idea कि इनको इस टाइप का घर चाहिए या उस टाइप का बिल्डिंग चाहिए. So that, and then he used to suggest them and make them comfortable. So this is the lesson. And it's time also. I hope you liked the explanation. I tried to do it quickly till the time. Okay. So what we'll do is next time we'll see the video. Okay. I'll arrange for this Alexa, and then we'll discuss the questions. From the next chapter, I will tell the names. On Saturday I'll tell. पूजा मुझे याद दिलाना, मैं सैटरडे को नाम बताऊंगी. ठीक है बेटा, मेरी ड्यूटी है. ओके.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके बेटा. ओके देन, बाय बाय. साईराम, टेक केयर.
Sairam,
बाय
ma'am.
बाय.
Sairam ma'am.
Sairam ma'am.
Sairam ma'am.
Sairam ma'am.
साईराम.
Sairam ma'am.
साईराम.
Sairam ma'am.
साईराम. खुशी, अक्षता, प्रांजल, एवरीवन साईराम.